Heads up, we're watching not one but two tropical waves in the Atlantic. This is meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's what you need to know.
Say hello to Tropical Storm Bret, which formed off the west coast of Africa. It's very unusual for a storm to form that far east in the month of June. In fact, dating back to 1851, there have only been 4 other cases of storms forming in this area known as the Main Development Region. The culprit behind this is sea surface temperatures in the eastern Atlantic that are 3 to 5 degrees Celsius above average, while sea surface temperatures worldwide are the warmest that we have ever seen. Bret will track westward in the Atlantic, and given the combination of warm waters and relatively low wind shear, it should strengthen some over the coming days. Forecast model consensus has Bret strengthening to either a strong tropical storm or a Category 1 hurricane. There has been only one case of a storm forming in the same region as Bret in the month of June that eventually went on to become hurricane strength, and that was all the way back in 1933. Forecast models are hinting at 2 possible tracks. Scenario 1 is a stronger storm that eventually curves out to sea, while Scenario 2 is a weaker storm that continues westward into the Caribbean.
If I had to venture a guess, I'd say scenario 2 would be the more likely scenario, with some impacts expected in the Lesser Antilles.
That's not all we have to watch. Say hello to Invest 93L, which is right on the heels of Bret, and if it becomes a tropical storm, it would be given the name Cindy.
It has already been quite an active start to hurricane season, so you're going to want to make sure that you follow along to stay weather aware.